Have you ever wondered why the powerful ancient Roman Empire fell? Picture a time when Rome was the most formidable empire around, its reach stretching across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. Imagine cities bustling with life, grand colosseums echoing with cheers, and legions of soldiers marching under the proud Roman banner. It was a time of unparalleled power and influence, but remember, no empire lasts forever. However, just as they had risen to power, the Romans were not immune to decline and fall. The fall of the Roman Empire didn't happen overnight. In fact, it took hundreds of years. It was a slow process, marked by key events that gradually weakened the once invincible empire. One of these was the division of the empire by Emperor Diocletian. In an attempt to make the vast empire more manageable, he split it into two halves, the Western and the Eastern. However, this division only led to more chaos, with each half falling under different rulers and following different paths. Then came the migration of the barbarians. These groups, driven from their lands by the Huns, sought refuge within the Roman Empire. Their influx strained the empire's resources, leading to a decline in its military and economic power. And let's not forget the economic crisis. Inflation soared, trade declined, and the empire's once booming economy began to falter. These events weakened the empire, making it vulnerable to external threats. And so the stage was set for the end of the mighty Roman Empire. One of the most significant factors that led to the fall of the Roman Empire were the invasions by barbarian tribes. Imagine a huge, powerful empire slowly crumbling under the pressure of relentless invasions. That's what happened to the Romans. Barbarian tribes, restless and eager for conquest, began to encroach upon Roman territories. They were not just one or two tribes, but a multitude of them, each with their own unique cultures and ways of warfare. Among these tribes, two particularly stand out. The Visigoths, who in 410 AD shocked the world by sacking Rome, the heart of the empire itself. This was a blow from which Rome never truly recovered. Then in 476 AD, another tribe, the Ostrogoths, delivered the final blow. They overran Rome, marking the end of the Western Roman Empire. With the fall of Rome, the Western Roman Empire officially came to an end. The fall of the Roman Empire was a monumental event in world history. In the wake of the empire's collapse, Europe plunged into a period often referred to as the Dark Ages. This era, spanning roughly from the 5th to the 10th century, was characterized by a decline in learning and culture, as the grandeur and sophistication of the Roman Empire gave way to chaos and turmoil. However, even in its demise, the Roman Empire left behind a profound legacy that continues to shape the world we live in today. Its contributions to law, for instance, form the backbone of many legal systems across the globe. Roman law introduced concepts like innocent until proven guilty and the right to a fair trial, principles that remain fundamental to justice today. The influence of Rome also permeates our languages. Latin, the language of the Romans, is the ancestor of the Romance languages: Italian, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Romanian. Even English, though not a Romance language, borrows heavily from Latin. In architecture too, the Roman imprint is unmistakable. From the sturdy Roman arch to the majestic dome, these architectural elements continue to grace our skylines, a testament to their timeless appeal. And let's not forget the Roman system of government. The idea of a republic, where citizens have a say in governance, was a Roman innovation that heavily influenced modern democracies. So the next time you see a Roman column or hear a Latin phrase, remember the mighty empire that once was, and how, despite its fall, it continues to influence our world today.